Okay, today we're going to be talking about dividing using rectangular models, which is a very easy method once you get the hang of it, that takes a division problem and uses the divisor to dictate the numbers that you divide by. What that means is you're going to use multiples of your divisor to help you break apart or distribute the number so that it'll be easy to divide, and you won't have the need for long division. Okay, so here, this is a word problem that we've worked in class. Katie uploaded 660 pics to Facebook. If she puts the pics into 4 albums with the same number of photos in each album, how many photos were in each album? Of course, you see there's a need to divide because she has the total number of pics that are being placed into groups of 4 because you have the 4 albums. So here, let's get started. Considering that our divisor is 4, we need to think of a way, or think of a number that we can pull out of 660 to divide by. Okay? One number that comes to mind very readily is 400. So we're going to put 400 inside the box because we can easily divide 400 by 4. Right? Now that we have taken 400 from 660, we subtract to see how much is left to divide. But before we do that, we're going to divide 400 by 4, and we're going to place our quotient on top of the rectangular model. That's part of our quotient, so this is partial quotients, okay? Now, we still have 260 to divide. Keeping in mind that our divisor is 4, we need to think of multiples of 4 that we could use, getting as close as we could get to 260 or to 26 tens that would help us divide 260. And if you think about your multiples, you have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24. 24 is mighty close to 26, and it's a multiple of 4. So we're going to take 24, because 24 is a multiple of 4, then so is 24 tens, which is 240. And if we divide 24 tens by 4, then we get 6 tens, which is 60. And so we have divided again another part of the 660. What part? 240. 240 more has been divided. What's left to divide? 20. Okay? So, since 20 is a multiple of 4, it is very easy to take the number 20, divide it by 4, and get the other part of our quotient, which is 5, because 5 times 4 gives us 20. So here, if we look inside of our rectangular model, we have 400 plus 240 plus 20, which gives us our total dividend of 660. And if we look across the top, we have our partial quotients, which are 100, 60, and 5. So 660 divided by 4 gives us 165. Please keep in mind that all of the numbers that are inside of the boxes were determined by using multiples of 4, which is the divisor. I also want to point out that these are not the only numbers that we could have used, because there are many ways to break apart 660, because there's so many different multiples of 4. I hope this has helped. Again, this was dividing using rectangular models, and if you practice it, the more you practice, the better and the easier it will be, the better you'll become at it, and the easier it will be for you. I hope this helps. I will post more videos in the future.